FunctionFox offers 4 separate platforms, each adding additional features over the previous. In FunctionFox Lite, the focus is fully on time tracking and reporting. FunctionFox Lite is the most different from the other platforms as it is fully designed with one person in mind. There are really 3 parts to the system. The first is timesheet. Here you can track your billable hours against the projects you are working on for your clients. This can be tied in with billable rates to bill your clients for your time. The second is calendars. Here you can keep track of some basic events that may be worth keeping an eye on. Lastly, there is reports, which has client, project, and status. Client and project are similar in the data they provide is from the time you've put in. Client will show the hours and billable total of work for all clients or a specific client and all of their projects, while the project report, the data is specific just to that one project. Status report, meanwhile, will show what status all your projects are in and how many are in each. The project status page will show similar data as well. Overall, FunctionFox Lite is fully intended for one person who needs something extremely simple to track their time and easily be able to bill for that time accurately. If you have any questions about Lite or our other platforms, please give us a call or email staycreative@functionfox.com. We would be glad to help you and your team stay creative.